Hey everyone, as you may have seen from one of my previous videos, I upgraded the speakers on both the M3 as well as the X6. And on the M3 I really wanted to take things up a notch and ordered the amplifier from BAVSOUND as well. Looks like it just arrived, so we'll get it inside and check it out. Alright, let's open her up. Well packaged, just like any other previous BAVSOUND box. Okay, so this is all the hardware it looks like. That bad boy. Some kind of bracket. That's how you mount it. Adapter. Whoa. This must be the harness. Okay. It's got some weight to it. Oh, there's a bunch of little harnesses in here. Yeah, I'm gonna, because the car's actually going in to get this installed, so I'm gonna leave this here because I don't want them to be hard to put back in. But this is all the harnesses, and pièce de résistance, the actual amp itself. And there's a tuning module and some kind of, looks like fiber optic cable. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Alright. Let's see if we can do this the right way. Revenant Pro. Kudos to BAVSOUND on some killer boxes though. And there's the amp itself. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, there you have it. Here's the BAVSOUND amplifier and all the goodies that come with it. So hopefully this will get soon installed in the car. We'll try to get some footage of that happening, and then I'll give you some thoughts and feedback on the before and after amplifier as well as I did with the speakers. So I appreciate you guys, and we'll keep the video rolling.